Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix battery drain from mobile network on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on connections. Now here in connections, click on mobile networks. Now from here, tap on network mode, and if 5G is not available in your area, then select the second option for 4G. So after selecting or changing these modes, it will help you to fix the battery drain issue from the mobile networks. But if it doesn't help you, then the second solution is check for your signals. If the signals are weak, then change your location. So weak signals causes battery draining. Now if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down, and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings. Now here click on reset settings and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. Now here again tap on reset. So when you will tap on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So after resetting mobile network settings, it will help you to fix the battery drain issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.